Hello and welcome back to the Drummond Market Commentary channel. This is going to be my final video for this year, and there's not a whole lot going on this week with the light trading and the short week. I just want to point out this area here. This is the monthly PL dot, seems to be holding very nicely. Then again, and this is the weekly PL dot, weekly live PL dot. And the market is kind of flirting with that area right now. Taking a look at the daily chart, you can see how this is just snaked along at the monthly PL dot support, and way up here that was the quarterly PL dot pushing down, and now we're right in this area of the weekly live and the weekly static PL dot for resistance. Now I want to go to a yearly chart here, and for those of you using the introductory level software, you have to, when you upgrade, let me say it that way, when you upgrade to the gold version, gold membership, you'll be able to draw these yearly charts. And I want to point out that we're right in this area here. We may close below the yearly PL dot, and that's an indication that this exhaust pattern that's set up here with this last year's high way out here in the outer darkness, and that high area is holding. Now the market's retraced down to its PL dot, and it's probably, unless something really dramatic happens in the next 2 or 3 days, we're going to close inside the yearly envelope. So that confirms that this yearly chart has exhausted. What we're putting on our charts for next year, there's a yearly 6-1 down right here and the yearly PL dot. Now these numbers are subject to change a little bit because we don't know what the close for the year is going to be yet, but this is a pretty good general area, and you can see it's up here. The 6-1 is up in that 4,300 range, and the yearly PL dot is going to be somewhere in the 3,950 range. Now what I've done is I've highlighted some areas for next quarter. Again, they're subject to change a little bit because we don't know what the final closing number is for the year. So next quarter we're looking at a 6-1 down, 43.25. The envelope top for the quarter, and also a 6-6 down is going to be a 42.33. And then way down here, we're looking at this, which is called a 6-5 down, 39.85, and quarterly PL dot coming in at 39.25. So we may close above that, which would be really interesting going forward to next year, but that'd take a pretty good move this week. So this is where we're at, and then I should point out here that down here at this 6-1 forming for support, and the quarterly envelope bottom down here, and the quarterly 5-2 up. So we've got a trading range for next quarter somewhere between 3,400 and 4,300. Huge area. And the way we're going to figure out, anticipate which is holding or which is breaking, is using the lower time period charts. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to get updates automatically. Thank you for watching. Have a great new year, and we'll speak to you soon.